Hello traders and welcome back to another price action trading review for Tuesday, January the 7th, 2025. We are trading the micro NASDAQ futures contracts on a 1000 tick chart. I had a bit of a mixed day. I had a hard time at the beginning of the day getting on the correct side of the market. So if the market was ranging, I was trend trading. If the market was trending, then I was either getting caught in pullbacks or getting caught in reversals. So let's take a look at my trades and let's see if there are some lessons here. So the market from yesterday didn't really gap up or down substantially. This vertical line here is when the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ Stock Exchange open at 9:30 Eastern Time, and that's a great time to start trading day trading futures. The market went sideways off the open. I did a great job of just waiting for a breakout and a direction. I didn't think that this was a breakout. I thought that this was just a range extension and mean reversion, so I took a long trade there and got stopped on it. So there's 80% probability that a breakout will fail. This is 20%, and I got on the wrong side of that. Okay, that's trading. I flipped around here to the short side and took profits at good spots. So this is a great recovery trade, thinking on my feet. This is breaking out and it's trending. I held through this little 2-3 bar sideways pullback. So that's good trading. I took a long trade here for mean reversion, and there was an extension from the moving averages here, but trading against a trend is a bad idea. And this is a bad trade. So price goes sideways here and then continues the trend to the downside. And I'm too late to enter on these two entries here, this one and this one. I should have entered on this breakout probably up here or at the close of this here, strong bar here, or on the open of the next bar or on the breakout of its low. But I am behind, price is moving quickly, and I get entered short, and I have to cover on a stop up here, which is just in the middle of normal price action. So it's a bad location for a stop. I take a small stop here. I take another small stop here. Now I'm trading to the upside looking for a reversal. And this is a pullback, not a reversal. I needed to have stepped back, taken a breath, calmed down, and taken a look at the chart and tried to understand what's happening. This is a strong move to the downside. This is a small, modest pullback, moving average gap bar after about 20 bar moving average gap, and then continuation to the downside. This is a great entry bar right here, or a great signal bar rather. This is a 1 bar reversal or a 3 bar reversal at the top of a pullback, and it's a gap above the moving average. So there's a fantastic entry there. I did take it. I was a little bit late. I took some size off there, added to that trade, looked for a breakout of the low of the day, which happened, took some size off, added to that trade, and then flattened into the lows. And I think my last piece was here, and I got it at break even. So this is really good trading. Good situational awareness, good understanding of structure, good understanding of when the pullback ends, holding through momentum, not holding too long. So these are all good things. But at this point, I was frustrated, and I started just over trading, printing tickets, and acting irresponsibly. And you can see inside here, I won't go through all of these tickets, but just getting long, getting stopped, getting short, getting stopped, getting long, getting stopped, getting frustrated. There's some winners, there are some losers. It's not, this is bad trading. This is more of a reversal on this time frame than it is a pullback. It's a very, very deep pullback. Retracement. Technically, a retracement is a pullback in a downtrend. So then we get a breakout of this retracement trend channel, and I get short at exactly the wrong time and get stopped on that. I try again, take a couple of, put some size on there and take some profit after a breakout through this low and get stopped on the rest of it at break even. Take a little short scalp looking for the high of this range, and I get it. Take that trade off there. And then some more kind of over trading, frustration trading here. So some shorts and profit, and take a short there and get stopped on this wick here And more or less, I'm not being patient, not letting trades work, and I'm taking too many trades. So that has got to stop. So here's another trade after this downtrend is now confirmed. We're getting these small 2-3 bar pullbacks, pauses, and then good continuation. I take a trade, add to it, and take some size off, take a trade on a pullback to the 9 EMA. That's a great entry. And take both contracts off there after just a modest move. So we get a pullback in 2 legs and some continuation, and I take a short trade there after a 1 bar reversal, and I got stopped on it. I jump right back in and take profit at a fairly tight target, and I take a little break here. I need a little break. And after taking a break, my trading gets better. So the price structure at this point is definitely a downtrend, but we're also getting these tradable pushes, upswing pushes to the upside. So this is at this point low of day, and we get a push to the upside. And I'm just looking at this point at this channel, which looks something like this. We get an extension into the top of the channel, and I get short and add to that trade, take profit, and get the rest out at break even. And then take a long trade here in the middle of the range after this really strong bullish bar and take profit into the highs. I'm continuing to trend trade with this trend leg here, and I get stopped on a couple orders there. So then we have a breakout of this range, of this channel rather, which happens here. And I get short, and I get stopped on a pullback that's bigger than my stop, unfortunately. But I'm still holding some size. I got stopped on one of those orders, but I take profits on the rest of those contracts, and then I get short, and I hold this trade. This is a monster trade. I carried these 2 contracts 50 points and made like 97 points on that trade. So this is a great swing trade, great patience. This is really good price action. I held through a pullback back to my entry, but still, that's wonderful trading. Here is a sideways correction, and I get short here and cover into the lows, get long there, and sell into the highs. So this is great range scalping. And then we get a breakout of this range and continuation, and I get short, hold really well, and cover. I get short into these lows looking for just a single pullback continuation, and I get stopped on that trade. And then I'm looking just for a poke back up to the highs here. This is a counter trend scalp. And I take a small loss on it. Not the best trade, not the worst trade. That's kind of middle of the road. Should probably be waiting for A+ type setups. This is a great mean reversion type triple test bounce here off of these lows in this small range. I take a long entry there and 2 take profits. Price breaks out and fails, and we're headed back up. So I take, this is another just a channel fade type trade. So this trend channel at this point looks like, let me just draw a proper channel, looks something like this. And as the price pushes up into the high of this channel, I just take a short position and then cover into the middle of that channel. And price is moving up in a tight channel. So this is strong price action to the upside. This is a bad trade. This short entry is a bad trade. I should be long at this point because of this channel. Yes, it's a downtrend day. Yes, we've broken above this low of the day range, and you could expect a reversion to the mean or a pushback down to the low of the day, but that's not what's happening right here immediately. Right now, price is in a channel and it's trending to the upside, and you need to trade the price action right now. Not what you think is going to happen next, and not what you want to happen. A couple losing trades there. So I take a long position here, get my head straight, take profit, and some more take profits into highs here. This is a great little range scalp. So we get a push down and then a failure of this kind of downside breakout. And I take a long position and just take profits into the EMAs. And I think that's it. Yes, that is it for the day, for my day today. So I made a lot of trades today, lots of tickets. If you want to pause your screen and take a look at my executions, you can. This is the first set of executions, first 10 trades. Next 10 trades. Next 10. And let's see if we can fit everything on here. No, we can't. Not even close. And those are the last of them. So 48 trades. And my win rate today was not good. It was 58%. I would really like my win rate to be above 65. Some days it's extremely high. This is a winning day. I still, I took a lot of risk, total risk, because the number of trades was high. I made a lot of money, though, and made a lot of Rs. And I still, in the end, paid a modest amount of commissions. So overall, good. Overall, a good day. Definitely some lessons about getting frustrated and about over trading and about waiting for the structure to tell me where to trade rather than just flinging orders around. So, yeah, some things to think about for me and some lessons for tomorrow. All right, I hope your trading day was great. I hope you were green. I hope you learned something here. Thanks.